Is web development. Simply put, web development is the process of creating and maintaining websites or web applications that people access through the internet using a browser. Think of it as how websites are built, designed, and made to work. There are three main parts. First, front-end development, also known as client-side. This is what users see and interact with. It involves languages like HTML for structure, CSS for style, and JavaScript for interactivity. This covers things like buttons, images, forms, menus, and animations. Second, backend development or server side. This is what happens behind the scenes. It handles things like data, databases, and user logins. Backend languages include Node.js, Python, PHP, and Ruby, and databases like MySQL, MongoDB, and PostgreSQL. Finally, there is full-stack development. This is a combination of both front-end and back-end skills. Full-stack developers can build an entire website from scratch. That's web development in a nutshell.